Forex trading involves risk and may not be suitable for all investors.
Liquidity. In a number of investment opportunities, including stocks, bonds, typical retirement accounts, and even real estate, if you need the cash from your investment, it can take months or even years in some cases to turn your investment into usable cash. With our managed Forex services, you can have your funds back in your bank account within a few days and do so without any early withdrawal or penalty fees. Now imagine if you invested in a bank CD. Well, not only will it pay a very tiny return that won't even match inflation, but if you need your funds, the bank will charge you a penalty for early withdrawal, and you may even net a loss. So say goodbye to the old rigid rules and hello to options, freedom, and the ability to truly control your money without hassle.